Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to draw a Audi RS6 full guide. Begin by collecting pencils, eraser, ruler, and sketch paper, and place a clear reference photo nearby. Start with light construction lines to map the proportions and perspective. Focus on the overall silhouette before adding details. Keep strokes loose and correct proportions often. This method builds confidence and makes refining grille, wheels, and bodywork much easier as we progress. Plan the RS6 proportions by drawing a baseline, centerline, and wheelbase measurements relative to your reference. Map the cabin, hood, and trunk using simple rectangles and ovals so the stance reads correctly. Place wheels as proportional circles and check spacing against the car length. Adjust the roofline and greenhouse until it matches the reference shape. Once satisfied, darken the refined construction lines and prepare to add characteristic Audi design elements. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker brings your space to life with easy voice control and great sound, perfect for playing reference music while you draw. It's a handy studio companion that keeps tutorials and playlists within reach. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Focus on signature RS6 elements like the wide grille, horizontal slats, and angular headlights to nail the front face. Carve in wheel detail with careful spoke shapes, tire thickness, and visible calipers for realism. Use subtle creases along the doors and fenders, then place highlights and shadow to suggest metallic paint and curvature. Blend shading smoothly for reflective surfaces, and step back regularly to ensure the car reads as a cohesive, three-dimensional object.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.